Welcome to module of our Capcut video editing series for beginners. In this module, I'll be showing you how to record your own voice right in Capcut. So I already have a video. I don't want to use this audio. I want to use to make a fresh recording. So what I need to do, first of all, I'm going to do either of two things, right? I can mute this audio, right? So if you play the video, you see that it's not going to give any sound. Or if I don't want to mute the audio, all I just need to do, right, is just to right click on the video on my timeline, and I'm going to go to extract audio, and then I'm going to delete the audio itself. The next thing I'm going to do right here is to come to where I have this recording icon, this microphone icon right here, and it says voiceover. Now when you click, it's going to bring an interface for you to begin your recording. Then next up, I'm going to come to, of course, this is the most important thing, ensure that now if you have if you have more than one mic connected to your PC, ensure you select the right one. I'm going to click this. So these are the couple of microphones I have on my PC. So and this is the microphone I'm currently using, so I'm going to click this one. So once you're done, then you go ahead and click start record. So I'm going to say it's no longer news that most Capcut Pro features, let me start again. It's no longer news that most features on Capcut is no longer free, but in this video I'm going to show you how to get all Capcut Pro features for free. And then you're going to hit stop record. So as you can see here, this is the voiceover we did, and it has been added automatically to your video. So I'm just going to preview. So let's preview the voiceover to see how it's all panned out. It's no longer news that most features on Capcut is no longer free, but in this video I'm going to show you how to get them. Alright, so as you can see, it was pretty good, right? So you can now synchronize it with the video file. You can you can just reduce it like this, and then you can select both layers, right click, and to merge both. So I'm going to say create compound clip. So this will merge both the video and the audio file, so you can automatically have a single clip and then start your editing process. So this is a very simple way that you can add your own voiceover or recording onto any particular clip right in Capcut. So if you found this useful, please give this video a like, and of course subscribe to my channel. And of course, I have a complete playlist of other Capcut videos for absolute beginners. I'll leave the link to the entire playlist as a pinned comment in the comment section. So go ahead and watch the other modules of this Capcut video editing series for beginners. So once again, like, share this video, and of course subscribe to my channel so you won't miss other videos in this playlist. So see you in the next module.